I love that I can't sing. For our Worth of Follow tonight, we have the talented Afro-pop, soul and classical singer. She has worked with the well-known Clement Choir for 8 years, with performance credits that include the well-known opera classic La Boheme, Uqinise Iliba, Essence Festival, and of course the KwaZulu-Natal Philharmonic Orchestra. Gentlemen, welcome Nonzwakazi.
Thank you.
Well,
so happy to be here. And I'm sitting on this chair.
Yes, Queen.
Let's take a picture.
Yeah. You're looking amazing, darling.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I think let's start off with you were part of the Afri Music Song Contest, which was quite a big deal. Can you tell us a little bit about the contest and how you became part of it all?
Okay, so the Afri Music Song Contest is actually the biggest song contest in Africa. All countries are allowed to actually participate in the contest. It actually started in 2017 and the first winner was announced in 2018. The first winner was Symphony from Eswatini.
Wow. Okay.
And immediately when I saw that from last year that the applications are open, I said, yeah, this year, it's me. I spoke it into existence. I spoke it into existence and I applied and I waited and waited and waited and then boom, I was selected for the national selections, and then we have to motivate people to start voting. And I motivated people. People voted for me.
They were motivated.
Exactly,
because they liked you.
Exactly, and then and I went to the finals. I was so excited, and then I won. I won Afro Music Song Contest. South Africa won, actually.
Yes.
So I am going to be performing, representing not just South Africa, but the continent. I'm going to be performing at the Eurovillage, at the Eurovision 2019. And this year it's going to be held in Tel Aviv. And Israel.
So, look, you have a lot of things going your way, but I want to take you back to the winning song, Phakama Mbokodo. What inspired singing that song?
You know, it's very funny. When I wrote Phakama Mbokodo, I wanted to write a song that a woman is just going to listen to on her way to that big presentation that is going to score her, so many things. I wanted to write a song that umama ekhaya is going to listen to and say, wow, I've been through so much, but here I am, I'm standing. So I just wanted to write that song that is basically just going to explain, this is how a woman is supposed to be praised every single day.
Wow. So you refer to Tel Aviv, Eurovision. What are you hoping to gain from this experience? I mean, it's what, 186 million viewers, all looking at you as you represent us. What are you excited about?
Listen.
Yes.
I want to represent Africa for what it truly is. I want to show those people how dynamic Africans are when it comes to music and how our culture is embedded in our rhythmic beats and music and everything. Understand? So when I get on that stage,
Give us a taste,
it's not about me. When I enter,
give us a taste of the pie. Sing for us.
Please, can you?
That would be amazing.
Of what you will be doing in Tel Aviv. At Eurovision. We get to do it here on Trending SA. This is big.
Okay, so I'm imagining it now.
Okay.
Okay, so in Tel Aviv, the main song, I'm going to perform other songs. But the main song is Phakama Mbokodo.
Yes.
But for now, I'm not going to do Phakama Mbokodo. I'm going to do Ngenani ngawo wonke amasango izimbali zakithi eMzansi nasebusika ziyaqhakaza ubusika nehlobo zihayingoma ziniqweba ngentokomalo zinisondeza ngentokomalo So that's where I come from.
And the winner
Bravo!
of Eurovision
2019 is Nonzwakazi!
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow.
Amazing.
Thank you so much for blessing us with your talent. You were gorgeous. Good luck with Eurovision. Go represent
Yeah.
us hard. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Nonzwakazi on Trending USA.
I feel so motivated.
Hey,
It's time now for Baba's J.